Pardon my hair, but it's been very windy today and yesterday. Really bad 40-50 mile an hour gusts. We had stuff blow all over the place, but we're excited. This is Rough Cut Creations. My name's Patrick. My wife is Lori, and tomorrow the sawmill is coming, so we're really excited. Woodland Mills is sending us the 130 Max. Something that if you've ever seen the YouTube channel Sawing with Sandy, it's something he just received. Something we ordered way back end of February, early March, and it's coming today. Really excited. It's going to take a little while to put it together, but it's going to be brought to this driveway here pretty quick. So we're pretty darn excited. Well, hello. This is Rough Cut Creations by Sea Palm. Today, hopefully, the sawmill comes today. Hopefully they'll pull up and they'll bring it in this driveway. I'm going to move some stuff. I've got some pallets. I've got pretty much everything ready to start doing the build when it does get here. So, as soon as it does, we'll let you know. Alright, the mill is here. Mill's here. This is cool. I'm pretty excited. Yeah, it's just gonna come under here. We're gonna unbox it.
Now, would you like it like sideways under there?
Yeah, if you can. Will the other one fit?
I think so.
If you can't, I can move whatever you want me to move.
That way you can kind of still move around.
Thank you.
Man, it's cold today.
I know, after this weekend, it was beautiful this weekend.
And they were coconut. I thought it should be warm. Wrong.
I don't take coffee.
with us. I had them out.
Did you get that? I sent everything to that guy, to the banker last week. I didn't know if he was still looking for your EIN number and that stuff, so I took you up. I sent you the emails. Is there anything else you need?
Yeah, I got that one.
Okay, because I sent you back my package. I don't know if you need any more. I said I just need him to work, get on it fast. We need to know how much pension eligible. So that I will have to vote. I don't know how we're going to do it with your business, or you as a representative of your business. I don't know how good your buddy's credit is. That might hurt us. But you not having a ban on your credit, my credit rating is. Right now. That thing.
I was a little nervous till I get it down. What's that? Yeah, it holds up at 2,500, but sometimes they even put 3,000 on there. Like, come on, man. Because this weighs 500, I weigh 250. Now we're like, 1,000 over.
Nice.
Now, would you like this one that way? Yeah,
Do you want me to move this out of the way?
I just didn't know how you wanted it.
Any way you can fit it under there, if you can get it at a slight angle, that's fine. Do you want me to move these?
No, I think we're okay. Are we gonna hit here?
No.
Okay, good.
Close.
Awesome. Is this a log splitter or what is it?
It is a portable sawmill.
Oh.
You just turn it and move this back. Now let me move that. Hey, Matt, can you move those pallets?
That's it.
Yeah, I figured you just back it your way and I'd move those pallets. You just put it kind of in the same line as
Oh, okay.
that one and you'll be fine. I think
Okay.
that'll be good enough. You were amazing. I'm serious. Matt!
Tell me when to stop.
And good.
Awesome. You don't need to have the rough coming down.
No, 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 no.
Get your autograph right on the bottom, sir. Oh, you got a bad wheel.
Broken foot.
Oh no.
And there you go.
Yeah, you can never be too early with the Christmas lights.
Actually, they moved it up off the other one. I just, whatever you want to do.
I saw it last week. It was like a big Yoda with a candy cane. I went, okay.
I know. I know.
It's only 5 months away, I guess.
Thank you. That was awesome. Oh, it's here. Awesome saw. I am so happy. Next video will be us putting it together. All right. Maybe we can unbox some of this stuff. Yeah, let's see what's all in here first. Ah, it's a little beat up right there, but to be honest with you, we'll see. I think I know there's metal cages in here, Matt. I think the way I'm going to approach it, from when I see other people do it, that's got to be the saw head, and then the original
It says it
mill.
right on the box.
Huh?
Shows it right on the box there. This is the trailer.
Yep, and that's the trailer. And that's the sawmill, so there's going to be track in here too, and then there's going to be trailer. So the track and trailer become kind of one piece from what I gather and what I read, and I'm going to watch a few videos like a couple more times, and I'm going to read directions. It says read the directions 3 times, everybody says, and it won't be as hard. And then lay everything out, they said, on tables, like bolts. So, scissors. So it's gonna be, I think it'll be alright, man. I'm kinda excited. Can't wait for us to get up north and
Make your first camp.
make our first camp. Yes! It's kind of exciting. I mean, I'm excited.
I like the thought.
I'm like really thrilled. I mean, I don't.
It's gonna be a good time.
We don't really do a lot. But, I mean, you know what I'm really excited to do? I want to make my first one. You want to do me a favor? Go bring the actual trash can all the way over here.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. I'm pretty. There's the. That's mixed.
What's mixed?
That's mixed parts. That is the log loading ramp and winch kit, which I need because I can't lift that stuff by myself. But yeah, that'll be exciting. And then
That's right. You got that all. You got all that good stuff.
and I could have welded one together, but this one has the offset. You know what?
Got that good shit.
This is the max trailer extension. So what it is that I'll need the tracks for that, and I'll need this extension, and what it is the tracks. So the normal trailer and tracks are 10 foot, almost not quite 11 foot. And so I got the 16/8. I'm able to do over 16-inch logs. And the reason I did that is because if I want to do 16-inch beams, you know, I do cans,
Right.
I want to do, these are at least 12 feet. So on the other one you can do basically 10 footers and 8 footers. 10 footers is like the max, 10, 2, 10. I'm like, well, I'd be mad shortly if I do it that way. And then the other thing, Matt, I may have you, I don't know, what are you doing Thursday?
Not a whole lot.
It's Thursday, the tractor is all ready, running like a champ.
Cool.
We might go get the tractor. Thalia!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, it's good to see you. Good to see you. How is the other one? How's the little one?
Oh, being a troublemaker is always.
Really?
Not causing your mom trouble, is she?
No.
She's such a sweet.
He's a sassy bud.
Yeah. You met my kids, right?
Yeah.
So, it's all comparative. I mean, don't get me wrong, we have very good kids, but you know what I mean? They can be a little sassy sometimes. I mean, probably not mad, I'm sure he never gets.
What was it last night, sweetheart? Centralizing? The TV, when it's just center the dang TV.
Centralize the TV.
No.
Centralize.
Center.
Oh, centralize it.
Center.
Centralize.
Hey. I'm gonna pitch your bud.
Should have a couple of. This is what we call these are the jacks for the extension. Sweet. There should be two in there. Totally.
Good beefy dress.
Yeah, these fit on all the trailer sides. They're the levelers for the trailer. So I got the ones that come with the regular trailer. These must be the extension jacks. So there should be two of them in here. I hope. Yep. Here you go, man. Cut that out. Go. You guys are fine. I just thought it was nice of him to put it here. Styrofoam is not recyclable, right?
It is.
Huh?
But I don't know how much more of it
Depends.
you're
By
gonna
us? Not by us.
have. Oh,
By the hospital?
yeah.
No. You see, these are the framing. You never know what they look like until you get them. But these are the framing pieces.
Do you guys have to separate plastic from cardboard?
No, this is not recycled.
Oh.
That's just like the stringy thing. I guess this could go into the recycling. Yeah, I suppose so. We look. Then you get rid of that. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna just take every box apart and kind of separate them. All the extension. Everything in this box. So we're gonna keep everything a little separate.
worry about her, but you just did it more efficient than the manufacturer.
But yeah, no shit. Ooh, those are the actual trailer extension accessories. Nice
Pretty solid.
and solid. Sweet, they are. Holy shit.
I tried to tell him.
She's tough.
I tried to invite John, but he's like, oh man, I hurt my shoulder in my sleep.
Well, I'm just doing the separation and loading now.
But yeah, it still is John.
I don't blame him. Nice. That was a nice delivery guy. I'm surprised. I haven't been meeting the nicest people lately.
Else I have to be a chair.
He was really nice.
Yep.
So this one, this is the actual lift kit. So this will go completely separate. It'll be one of the last things I put together, I think. So we're going to put these in a way that they're not in the way. Usually put them under that table. But this, I also have to remember these because these also attach. These also attach to the trailer at some point. There's a one. These clamps. Take these edges off, and then what you do is you actually slide them on the trailer because that's why I did it. I didn't have to throw them back in the bigger structure if I built my own. It actually has a holder. Seems pretty heavy. Maybe throw those under the.
Under the table?
Yeah.
No, they're papers.
Oop.
I was just checking.
This has got to be the crank. Let me look. It's the crank.
The crank? You mean like Carlene or whatever from Pinehill?
You don't have to there.
What?
You okay?
Bye. Huh?
You guys okay?
Doing alright.
This should be the most interesting. So, I'm going to have to look before I open this. Track extension. Now we should probably take a look. This is the can hook. Oh. Track extensions. I'm going to have to read over those directions. It said read the directions 3 or 4 times before you start.
Yeah.
It's like 1,000. Okay, and the other thing I got is a can hook stone dough kit. Nancy? So I can carry my can hook. I'm gonna leave that in the box. Where's this can hook itself right there? I'm telling you, Matt.
Quick line. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's for turning the logs, like on your own. I always needed one anyway for. I hate it when they do that.
Friggin' copper
It's
stabilization.
like. So, what we have to do on this baby is we have to actually
We left them.
actually they want you to put these together. How could they want that? Wait till you get old, man. Not good. You can ask him. I used to be tough. Tough as nails. You know, one day you're not.
It's pretty sick looking hook.
You have to. There was no directions on there, was there?
No.
Probably is in one of these.
I know the can hook goes on one of these, and then you use it to hook the log. And you know what we're gonna do with this one right now? Let's send it out of the way. In a way so I don't forget it. Next, I'm going to take this apart.
What's wrong?
Styrofoam is not nice that he hears.
Are you okay?
Yeah. He was just rubbing the styrofoam. And yeah. No.
This is a track extension, and this is the actual trailer. The one thing I'm going to have to see is exactly how the extension works. Everything I've seen didn't have the extension. Everyone was just staying in the trailer. So it all came, like this box was on top of that box. Because I have extension tracks. That's all extensions. It's gonna be long. Long. So I think I might have to do a little and wrist attack. I know that the metal piece, this here, we can use that, the one in there and one in here are used to help put the trailer together.
Really?
Yeah, you can, when you lay things on it, you put it together on the trailer so that these, once the trailer's together enough, you can actually lift it without in the air, and then you'll put your tires. So your track and go together on top of these metal boards. So I have to take it apart first so I can get my Christmas present inside out. And some people actually used it and made tables and workbenches out of it.
I mean, they're pretty solid looking. Why wouldn't you?
You know what? This garage can get full quick.
Yeah, sure it all is. Oh shit.
Okay. Let me get another table.
Which one do you got? No, you don't have the XL, do you?
Yeah.
You have the XL?
Well, it's XL is extended out trailer lift. The one thing we match is this one. Oh yeah. Pops went big. Pops went long. Sorry, we had to go big.
Woo. babies can stay in there though, okay? What? What puppies? What puppies?
You out there?
Yeah.
I think you guys have seen enough of the unload. Okay, here we go. We got almost everything unloaded. We're gonna wait for the sawmill head because there's just too much stuff. We're gonna build the trailer first. First impression, heavy duty, looks good. My son read the directions and he said it is well put together. He would know. He's very meticulous about that stuff. So I think when it gets a little bit warmer, we'll put this stuff together. This is the crew that's helping me. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. All right. So talk to you when we start to put it together.